The day and age where you need to go to school, get good grades, find yourself a great course in the university, then you have a great career, being employed either for the government or by private sector. Those days are long gone. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the top skills that you need to learn to be able to make a good living working online. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. As I was doing my research and trying to find a platform that can really teach people the right skills that they need in this day and age, the 21st century, so that they can be able to make a good living online, I came across AGMA Academy. And AGMA Academy is an institution that is out there to solve one of the biggest problems in Africa, which is unemployment. And they are teaching people how they can use the internet in a very useful way and earn a living by just working online. Their vision is to become the #1 e-learning platform in the continent and also in the world, to be able to teach people how they can be able to become financially free just by using the internet the right way. And they have some of the greatest courses. Now, if you're passionate about writing and you like writing, then you can be able to make a ton of money and a great career writing and sharing your ideas if you are able to learn how to do blogging. AGMA Academy has a great course on blogging, and it will teach you how do you monetize this key skill. Do you know that you can be able to set up an online shop, sell without owning any of the merchandise that you're selling? This is made possible by a concept called drop shipping. AGMA Academy has a great course on drop shipping, and they can teach you how to set up that online shop, contact the manufacturer, get the buyer, ship it to them without you even having to hold that product or merchandise. And you get your commission, or you get your pay at the end of the day. So if that is something that really excites you, I would ask you to go and sign up for the drop shipping course. On the other hand, if you have any kind of skills, maybe photography, videography, video editing, website design, singing, dancing, you're a carpenter, you are an editor, an accountant, you're a teacher, or you have any kind of skills, from the education system, we are taught that once we acquire these skills, we only have two options: either go be employed by the government or the private sector. But there is a third option, and that is working for yourself, being able to work at your own pace and convenience and doing what you like. If that is something that is sounding exciting to you, then I would advise you to go and check out AGMA freelancing course, which teaches you how do you set up a freelancing career in whatever field, whichever skill that you have, and work at your own convenience, at your own pace, without necessarily having a boss telling you, do this, don't do that, do this. If freelancing sounds exciting to you, check out AGMA Academy's freelancing course. Another exciting opportunity that is there online is that you can be able to learn trading. Many people have become billionaires by just learning that simple single skill, which is trading. And once you know how to do trading right online, the options are endless. AGMA Academy have a course on trading. Why not sign up for that right away? Another interesting opportunity that is there online in this day and age is just like what I'm doing, creating videos. Many people are stuck on their phones watching YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms, watching videos. And do you know, you can be able to make a good amount of money, sustainable amount of money, just by doing videos? Yes, I am one of the beneficiaries of doing videos. I started my channel, I revamped it, and last year it took off, and I am now earning a good amount of money just from doing these videos. And if that is something that makes you excited, you are a person who like being in front of the camera, then vlogging would be an option for you. And why not learn how to do vlogging the right way? There are different types of vlogging. You can just do vlogging for business, vlogging just about your lifestyle. You can vlog about entertainment. You can just be an entertainer doing videos for entertainment, comedy, videos for lifestyle, fashion, and all those different types of things. The options again are endless, and AGMA Academy have a great course about vlogging. Having said all that, I think it is important for us to head over to their website and check out what they have for us. When you go to their website, agmaacademy.com, you will be able to see how you can be able to get started, what they do, reinforcing the mission. And their mission is to solve the biggest problem that is facing our continent, which is unemployment. And they believe that there's a better way for us to be able to use internet, which will be profitable enough to earn a good living. And their mission is to strive to be the #1 e-learning platform that will help change the financial situations of many through education. As you scroll down, you will be able to see the courses that they are offering. There we have blogging, drop shipping, freelancing, trading, and vlogging. If we check one of the courses here, for example, blogging, for you to get started with the blogging, they have 2 great packages. The first package is the starter package, and in this package you will be able to get 3 months access to the complete program, access to their closed forum. They also have access to webinars and events with experts, and at the end of the program you will be able to get your certificate. If you go to the advanced package, which is an addition to the starter package, you will get more services. These are the premium services, which include professional case study with the experts, 1 month mentorship with one of the experts, and 2 months mentorship with an expert. You will also be able to get business consultation with an expert. So I would advise you to head over to agmaacademy.com and get started right away. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions in the comment below. I will be able to respond to the questions, and also our friends at AGMA Academy will be able to get in touch with you and give you more information.